Welcome, dear children. Standard 6, Subject General Science. Chapter number 6, Substances in Daily Use. Part 2. Paper. Paper is the substances or material formed due to the intervening of the cellulose fibers in the grass, wood, rags or waste paper. Thus, paper is a kind of network of cellulose fiber. In the picture you can see the process of manufacturing papers. How is paper made? Coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. The bark of the logs of this tree is first removed and the wood is broken into small pieces. Mixture of these pieces and some chemicals is kept soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fibrous substances from wood pulp are separated and some dyes are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper and finally wound on a reel. Paper and wood are closely related. To save tree, it is necessary to use paper sparingly. Always remember, do not tear up blank pages of a notebook. Do not throw away old notebooks with blank pages. The blank side of advertising, pamphlets, inner side of postal envelopes, the blank side of calendars, pages and other such writable surface can be used to make notes, paste, to cover books, etc. Do not throw away or burn up such paper until it has been fully utilized like this. Whenever possible, try to use a pencil and a slate. Cooperate with people who collect paper from garbage or buy scrap paper. These people help in the proper recycling of resources. From the time it was first thought that artificial yarn could be produced to meet the clothing needs of an increasing population, much research and progress has taken place in this field. Innumerable kinds of synthetic or artificial threads are now available. Nylon, dacron, terylene, terine, polyester, rayon are the names of various synthetic threads. Almost all the articles made from natural fibers in the olden day can now be made from synthetic threads. Nylon, rayon, terylene, acrylic, all synthetic threads and many articles in our daily use are made from them. Synthetic fiber or thread. There are two types of fibers: natural fiber, synthetic fiber. Natural fiber or thread. Silk is a natural fibers obtained from the cocoon of silk. From one cocoon 500 meter to 1300 meter, a thread can be obtained. It is said that silk was first product on a large scale in China. Synthetic fiber, nylon, rayon, terylene are all synthetic thread and many articles in our daily use are made up from them. Nylon. These threads were invented at the same time in the New York and London. Therefore, the initial NY of New York and LON from London were combined to the name nylon. Thread have a shine and are strong, transparent and water resistant. They are used to manufacture cloth, fishing net, rope, etc. Cotton and wool pulp is dissolved in a chemical called sodium hydroxide to make a solution. Threads are obtained from these solutions with the help of a machine. It has a shine and strength. They are said to be synthetic silk, shining bright like the sun's rays, hence they were named rayon. Dacron, terylene, terine. Various hydrocarbons obtained from mineral oil are used to make polymer chains. A solution of such a polymer is pressed through a strainer with a fine holes. The fibers formed after cooling are long and unbroken threads. These threads are twisted to obtain yarn. Different types of chemicals are used to make threads of various properties. These different threads have been named variously as dacron, terylene, terene, etc. Hydrocarbon, the substance obtained from mineral oil. Polymer chains, long continuous chain formed by small interlinked chemical unit. Advantages and disadvantages of a synthetic fiber. Advantages of synthetic fiber are: this fiber can be manufactured on a mass scale. They cost less. They are strong and durable. They can be used for a long time. They are water repellent, hence do not rot or get wet. They dry easily. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear. As they have a shine, they enhance the appearance of the wearer. Clothes made from these threads are wrinkle-free and scratch-free. Shortcomings of synthetic fiber means disadvantages. They are water repellent, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. Continuous uses of clothes made from this thread keep the skin moist, which may cause skin diseases. Synthetic clothes are uncomfortable to wear, especially in summer. Synthetic fabrics catches fire easily. If they catch fire, the clothes stick to the skin and causes serious injuries. These fibers are not decomposed by microorganisms. What we have learned? We use two types of material, natural and man-made. Natural materials may be biotic or abiotic. Biotic material are either of plant origin or animal origin. Rubber, paper and synthetic fibers are important man-made materials in our daily use. Man-made materials are obtained by using certain processes. Always remember, save trees to save nature. Save paper to save trees. Use paper properly and economically. Make full use of it and recycle the used paper. Although there are some disadvantages in synthetic fiber, they can be useful if they are used in a proper way. They reduce the load on the use of natural resources. So, we had completed our chapter number 6, Substances in Daily Use. Hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.